Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE quick fix shower or bath faucet using GROHE Start as an example here. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. One thing to consider before we start, the installation I'll be showing you also applies to other models, even if your model looks completely different. And one more thing, make sure you turn off the water before installation, either directly at the water meter or in your bathroom if possible. Then briefly let the residual water run out of the faucet. First, let's check what's in the box. It always helps to take a look at the enclosed installation manual. But you can watch the installation video instead. Before starting the installation, you should cover your shower tray to protect it from getting damaged. To install your new single lever mixer, all you need is this QuickSpanner. Let's get started then. First, screw these escutcheons onto the S connections. Simply screw them on and tighten by hand. Simple as that. Now it's time for your new single lever mixer. All you have to do is insert the enclosed seals into the union nuts, one on the left and one on the right. Then screw the faucet onto the S connections. Again, first tighten them by hand alternately, then use the QuickSpanner to firmly tighten. So what's next? Exactly, your shower hose. You simply screw this on to the bottom of the single lever mixer by hand. You can now turn on the water again and check that everything is tight. Perfect! Now you can test your new faucet straight away. By the way, the installation and setting options I've shown you also apply to the bath faucet. Here you can also have a diverter to switch between the bath spout and the hand shower. If you want to clean your aerator, you can easily unscrew it and screw it back in using the QuickSpanner. Done! Not so hard after all, right?